Hello guys, we are Céanie and Fabien and we are sailing across France, Italy, Spain and all around the Mediterranean Sea. We are French and we speak English, so we wanted to share our content all around the world, so we do vlogs, tutorials, short films and many other things about our adventures. So do not hesitate to subscribe, share or comment.
Je vais vous filmer. Tout est plein hier pour pas être assez sur la caméra.
Ah non, j'ai pas dit ça du tout. Ah non, pas un gros plan, hein. Arrête.
You don't go to the water?
And now we're gonna eat to the sardinade of Port de Bouc.
Yes! Every night.
Like every night,
day.
yeah.
We are in Sardinade. Ouais.
Arrête, on voit pas. Grosse tête que
John. Mais arrête de te sortir sur moi là.
Sur le cabane.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a mon petit fou là quand même? Tu veux pas te coucher toi?
Comme ça, elle va être tranquille.
Capitaine. Tu vois le genre, ouais. Normal. Hop. Et voilà, le SPI est établi. 5 nœuds comme au moteur. Ah,
La côte de chaque côté.
let's see what the captain is doing right now, because I think he's trying something who's not really safe for the moment. What are you doing? You're trying stuff on the SPINNAKER?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see if it's gonna work. So it's cool because today we are on the water with the boat. So we're going to les îles de Frioul. So we're going to see it's beautiful. The week before we could not really go on water with the boat because Fabien's dad hurt himself during the night. He hit his body and like really he was really hurting, and it was difficult for us so to go and sail because when someone gets hurt, you know, you cannot really sail because the boat is really moving, and if you're already hurt somewhere, you're not really stable and you can really get badly hurt. So the week before we could not really navigate because for that reason, and also because there was really too much wind. The weather was not good for us, but now we have 2 days where the weather is like perfect. So we are going to the Frioul Islands. We are gonna go for 2 days, and normally after, we don't really know, maybe we're gonna stay over there for like 5 days because during these days the wind is coming back, so we could not come back to Port de Bouc. So maybe we're gonna stay over there for like 5 days, or we're gonna go for 2 days and come back before the weather gets bad. So we're gonna see. But for the moment we are sailing to go to the islands. So yeah, see you later. Sailing with the SPINNAKER is really great because it's soft and like it's really a sunny day. It's beautiful. It's hot, so that's cool. So we are near Saucé-les-Pins and we're going to the Frioul. So we still have to sail like maybe for 3 hours, I think. Yes. But for the moment everything is fine. We finally did put the SPINNAKER. Look at that, beautiful. And so there's not so many winds, but with the SPINNAKER we still can sail, so that's really great. By the way, it's a new one. Like really, it's a new SPINNAKER because before we had one who was a little small, really too small for this boat, and so we just bought that one, who is really pretty. And we are going at how many already? Like maybe four knots. So that's really great. And there's only like 7 knots of wind. So it's really a good one, and maybe we're gonna arrive to the Frioul earlier than we thought. So we're really happy. But we will need to change the direction because we're not on the good direction for the moment. The wind is coming from the back, and we will need to change our direction to reach the Frioul Island, who are just over there.
Retourne-toi.
Comme c'est beau là, tu peux rester là. Ma tête est dans un rayon de soleil. Caché pour l'endormir. Il n'y a pas d'autre solution.
Les 2 grosses à droite.
So right now we are with the SPINNAKER and we are going at 6 knots, so it's really fast for our boat, so we're so happy. Look at that! Woo! We were doing a race with the other boats, so we were faster than all the other boats, but only one boat over there just kept going faster and faster, and like we stopped racing because we needed to go to the Frioul Island and not into like the sea, so we stopped. We are really sad about that. Yeah.
Luna is come back.
No.
No? Okay. Okay, she will tell to you.
Luna came back. She spent all the sailing inside the boat because I think it's less hot. And Pifu is just here. He likes to stay outside with us.
Okay, sorry for my bad English, I will try. If you want to shut down your spinnaker, you can put a second line and the line pass here. When you want to shut down your spinnaker, you will go out with the first and take the second just here, and it's cool. It's okay.
During this time, my father sleep inside the boat.
And you can see the Meridional, a big ferry boat.
We stopped with the spinnaker and now we just put back the Genoa, but yeah, we're not going as fast as we was going with the spinnaker, but it's great too. We had 3 knots.
We are on the Frioul Island. There is a lot of boats. Too many boats.
Just came back from the beach, so we went to the beach at Frioul Island here. You can see it's really beautiful, and so we are just coming back to the boat right now. So we are visiting the Frioul Island at night time. It's really beautiful. So where are we going, Captain?
on a fiesta.
We're going to a party, like we're gonna check. We heard music, so we just get out of the boat and
I will
see.
learn English.
You're good in English. You're gonna train. It's gonna be fine.
Tomorrow I will learn.
Tomorrow he will learn English.
It's me again. We're on the Frioul Island, and after we go to the sea because we leave my parents, and after we go again and see. When I speak English,
Yeah.
she always laugh.
Laugh. No, that's not true. Like, I think it's cute. Okay. That's
not-
why I'm laughing.
I'm not cute.
You're cute.
I'm so sad. So sad. Juste en bas, tout là-bas, il y a mes parents.
Voilà, on va s'installer